How to get McDonald's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in McDonald's promo codes and then search for it. With that, a fun website links will appear. Navigate to this fun website option. Simply codes. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for McDonald's. Just scroll down. You're gonna get various offers. You can see that $5 off, $10 off, 10% off, and many more. You can head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on the option of use code. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. While you check out, the selected offer will be automatically applied and you'll get the discount. Also, you can give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for McDonald's. Also, you can head back. You can also check out other website. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo codes for McDonald's. But make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get McDonald's working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.